Your testosterone is 50% lower than your grandfather's. Here's why, and the 4 exercises that can fix it without a gym membership. Let me be brutally honest. Modern life is destroying your hormones. We sit all day, eat processed junk, and wonder why we feel weak. But here's the game changer. Your body only produces testosterone when it thinks you need it. To trigger production, you need to create demand through high-intensity stress on large muscle groups. Exercise 1. Hill sprints. Forget jogging. It raises cortisol, which kills testosterone. Instead, find a hill or field. Sprint at 100% max effort for 15 seconds. Then rest 2 minutes. Repeat 6 times. This explosive intensity mimics our ancestors hunting prey. It signals your body that you need survival strength. Your legs should be shaking by the end. That's the signal your hormones need. Exercise 2. Bulgarian Split Squats. Your legs contain your largest muscle groups. Training them triggers massive hormonal responses. Place one foot on a bench behind you. Lower until your back knee almost touches the ground. Then drive up through your front heel. The instability forces your body to recruit stabilizer muscles and pump out growth hormone. 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Yes, it burns. That's testosterone being forged. Exercise 3. Explosive push-ups. Slow push-ups build endurance. We need power. Lower yourself slowly for 2 seconds, then explode up so your hands leave the ground. This rapid change from slow to fast shocks your nervous system and activates fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for testosterone production. Go until you lose that explosiveness. Exercise 4. Pull-ups to failure. Start from a dead hang. Pull until your chin clears the bar. Lower all the way down. This compound movement engages your lats, biceps, forearms, and core simultaneously. The more muscles working together, the higher the metabolic stress, and metabolic stress is a key driver for hormonal response. 3 sets to complete failure. Listen carefully. The workout is just 20% of the equation. You need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Testosterone is produced during REM cycles. Eat healthy fats like eggs, nuts, and avocados. Cholesterol is the building block of testosterone. Get 20 minutes of sunlight daily for vitamin D. Do this routine 3 times per week. Fix your sleep and diet. In 30 days, you won't just feel different, you'll be different. Drop a comment if you're starting today. Let's go!